The Alpha Roth Tax-Free Strategies Playbook, coupled with the new CARES Act tax law, truly creates the tax-free income opportunity of a lifetime. But you must act now before the law expires December 31st of 2020. The CARES Act allows you to withdraw up to $100,000 from your current employer's plan. You can spread out the tax payment evenly over the next 3 years when doing this. And there is no 10% penalty on early withdrawals taking the money before age 59 and a half. This is all fantastic news for you. Intelligent financial engineering will save you hundreds of thousands of dollars in future taxes. For your estimated future tax liability illustration, check your email soon. But in order to provide you with really accurate numbers, it's best you respond to our text message for a quick call. The Roth IRA is truly the best legal tax shelter in America and is the holy grail of tax-free retirement accounts. Assets grow tax-free and can be withdrawn tax-free for the rest of your life. However, as you may know, tax is created when you convert to a Roth IRA. But our Alpha Roth conversion strategy helps eliminate the taxes, something your current tax professionals have failed to perform. That is, unless they know us. And if you have more than $100,000, don't worry, we have a solid plan for you too. Alpha Roth uses 10 strategies to help cover conversion taxes. Perhaps you were out of work for a time this year, so you made less income. Perhaps you are a business owner with tons of losses to offset the conversion tax. Maybe you own property we can use to lower taxes. Whatever your situation, now is the time to take action. Current tax rates are near all-time historic lows, and future tax rates are expected to rise sharply from $8 trillion in bailouts. The timing doesn't get any better to convert to a Roth IRA and become tax-free. On the next page of this website, you can order a copy of our life's work, the Alpha Roth Tax-Free Strategies Playbook. If you decide not to take advantage of this limited time gift from our current U.S. Congress and decide to stay with your current employer's plan versus Alpha Roth, the following negative effects will occur. You and your children will pay heavy taxes. Your tax consequences will get even larger as taxes rise. You will pay a 10% penalty withdrawing funds before the age of 59 and a half. You will be stuck with your employer's plan and limited investment options. Typically, these are about 10 to 15 mutual funds with a 1.5% average management fee. Your account values will bounce around, causing you great anxiety, just like the stock market crash we just had a few months ago. But you can avoid this all and pay almost nothing if you understand the latest financial science most tax and financial professionals completely failed to master. Let's go over a case study of a Florida teacher. Sandy is a teacher and earns $50,000 from her public school employer. She withdraws $100,000 from her 403B with the CARES Act tax law before it expires December 31st. She spreads out $100,000 of 403 distributions, adding $33,333 of income over the next 3 years to her tax return. So Sandy earned work income of $50,000. Her 403B income is now $33,000, giving her a total income of about $83,000, putting her in the effective tax rate equaling 15%. So if we take that 403B income of $33,333 and we multiply that by the 15% tax rate, we get a total tax bill of $5,000 each year for the next 3 years. So her total tax bill is equal to $15,000 for converting to a Roth IRA. So if we compare the $15,000 tax bill converting to a Roth IRA versus the $800,000 tax she will pay for keeping her 403B, we believe the choice is quite clear. But wait, it gets even better. What if we can cut down the $15,000 tax bill even further? Alpha Roth conversion strategy utilizes 10 ways to reduce your tax liability. One strategy we use pays the first 2 years of taxes day one. By the time we get through with everything, the IRS might even be refunding you. We will even do your taxes for free for the next 3 years to ensure no financial mistakes are made. If your current advisor could help you, they would have already contacted you about this a long time ago. But the truth is, they don't know our formula. They didn't write a book on Roth IRA conversion strategies, and they didn't spend years perfecting the strategy. The truth is, your advisors will lose some assets under management, and they will say anything to keep your assets with them, but they won't eliminate $800,000 in future taxes for you and your family. This opportunity is only available until December 31st of 2020 because of the CARES Act law expiring. It is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Protect your assets from the IRS and rising future taxes. Congress has just passed the best tax savings bill in history, if you have the right financial team to maneuver it. Are you wise enough to take immediate action? We can assure you that the wealthiest Americans like Michael Loeb, billionaire investor, have already contacted us. But we prefer to work with average Americans that need our help most. Now is your chance to become your financial best and retire earlier, without the worry of future tax rate increases. Order our playbook and custom tax-free plan at significantly reduced pricing. Take advantage of the tools and techniques to eliminate tax liabilities forever. We know of only a few advisors in the U.S. that possess the expertise to perform and legally reduce Roth IRA conversion taxes. We look forward to working with you. Now click the button below and get started. Our financial team will do all the work for you, and you can shelter your first $100,000 in less than 1 hour.